Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and I love this Tea Tree Purifying Body Wash. It's by Jason, and I think it works super well. I love the ingredients in this body wash. Of course, it has tea tree oil, but it also has aloe, vitamin E. So not only does it help to cleanse my skin, but it makes it feel nice and soft and hydrated, and it lathers up super nicely, as you can see right here. Another thing that I like is that it comes in a large container, and so I don't just use this as a body wash. I'll also add some to a soap container, and I'll use it as a hand wash as well. I think it just has such a nice, fresh, clean smell. This is 30 ounces, and I like the pump that it comes with, and I like that it leaves my skin feeling hydrated. The smell isn't strong. It's not like a medicinal tea tree smelling smell. It's just very fresh and clean. If you're looking for a body wash with great ingredients, I would highly recommend this one by Jason, the Tea Tree Purifying Body Wash. I love it, and that's my point of view.